Avoiding common errors with quantitative determiners. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to tackle a very important part of English grammar, quantitative determiners, and more specifically, we'll focus on some common errors we often encounter when using them. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped to avoid these mistakes and use quantitative determiners like a pro. Quantitative determiners are words that give information about the number, how many, or amount, how much, of something. They include words such as many, few, some, any, enough, all, no, and several, among others. These determiners help us specify quantities in a sentence. Let's dive into some of the most common errors and how to correct them. Error 1. Incorrect use of few and a few. Few and a few might seem similar, but they are used differently. Few indicates not many, while a few means some. Misusing them can lead to confusion. Incorrect. I have few friends. This sounds like you are lonely. Correct. I have a few friends. This sounds like you have some friends. Error 2. Misusing many and much. Many is used with countable nouns, while much is used with uncountable nouns. Mixing them up is a common mistake. Incorrect. I don't have much books. Correct. I don't have many books. Error 3. Incorrect use of all. All can be used with singular, plural, and uncountable nouns, but it's often incorrectly used with singular countable nouns. Incorrect. All student is studying. Correct. All students are studying. Let's reinforce what we've learned with some practice examples. Try correcting these sentences. 1. I have few ideas for the project. 2. She has much candies in her bag. 3. All dog likes to play fetch. So there you have it. By avoiding these common errors with quantitative determiners, you'll be able to express quantities in English more accurately. Remember that practice is key when it comes to mastering grammar, so keep trying out new sentences and don't be afraid of making mistakes. That's how we learn. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.